everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today in this video I'm going to share with you an application which will help you so much to improve your learning process in English. So please do not forget use this application which I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, because of this is very useful and fantastic applications. If you use this application you will reach your destination in English. And second thing guys, it is my humble request to you, there is a lot of noise, so please ignore it. And to request you, it is my also humble request to you, if I make any mistake while speaking English, so please guys ignore it and forgive me, because of I'm also learner like you, so please forgive me. Through my every single video I want to help you, which I do in my learning process, and I learn that process I share with you guys, because of I wanna help you in English. So please stay in this video till the end and watch last. I will show you with demo. Okay, so please stay with me. It is the name of application Bushu. You can see here. Okay, this application name. And okay, so you have to download this application in your Play Store. So please visit in your Play Store and download this application. But after watching this video guys, there is given us so many languages. If you want to learn English, Spanish, French, German, so you can learn which language you want to develop in yourself, which language you want to learn, you can touch it. So I want to learn English, so I touch English, and then you have to press continue button. Continue. You will have to fill your email. Okay, so you can make your fake email. Okay, so I filled a email and then continue. Okay, and then fill your name, and after that create 6-letter password. And then if you want to save, so you can save, otherwise not. So it is downloading. Okay, so there is a welcome Nisha Shukla, tell us a little bit about you. Means if you want to start your journey with beginning, I don't know any English. So if you don't know any English, if you are beginner, so choose I don't know any English. And if you know already English little bit, so you can use I already know some English. So I'm going to choose I don't know any English. Okay, and then you have to tell your purpose to learn this language: education, travel, career, friends and family. So I'm going to choose education. Okay, so how long would you like to study for? So you can choose your time limit, 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day. So I'm going to choose only 10 minutes a day. Okay, so no thanks. Preparing your first lesson. So start lesson. Hello. So you can see here written hello. So you have to press continue button. Hello. And choose correct what she said. So see, she said hello. So press hello and then greeting. So that person said hi. So you have to continue, press button. Hi. So you have to choose hi and then continue.
Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you. Please continue button.
Nice to meet you.
So you have to write here correct means bottom. Means you have to write here means that lady said nice to meet you. So you have to fill this sentence correctly. So nice to meet you. Okay? Lesson complete. Start. I got 100 score. Okay? So you mean so guys, this is a very nice application. If you want to improve your English, so please download this application, because there you can also learn how to make sentence. There is a given very basic sentences which is related in your daily life. Okay, means hi, hello, nice to meet you. These are very basic sentences and you need to learn these sentences. This is your first step to learn English. Okay, and in this platform you can also learn how to make sentence, because of you will have to fill the sentence correctly. Okay, if you feel any sentence strongly, so you can see red color, and if you feel correct sentence, so then you can see green tick. Most thing important here guys, you can give a score. Okay, so that is a very good things actually to us. You will be given your scores, which scores you means get it, you will provide it your score. So my score was 100. I got 100 score in the first time. So this is a very nice application. So please use it and go in your Play Store and download this application and improve your speaking English, your pronunciation, making sentences. This is very nice applications. If you like this video, so please give thumbs up and share more this video as much as you can share. And please guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button so that you can get my videos notification whenever I upload on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. I will come back with another video. Guys, give your feedback in comment. How was that video? Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.